See a helicopter, 911, plate 93, checking post 25. Make a video of your stolen call to me. Time, date, number dialed. Oh, this is my SolarCam Excel, son of Carpenter and Mary. Just one plate 93 check call in 11 years. The Excel, yes, that's what the document is. Those worried enough to hijack your call and alter your phone records or yeah, it doesn't do much good when you got it on video. Yeah, it's my SolarCam Excel. And often when I make the parables, video parables nowadays, someone comes in, perhaps a Chinese person, impersonating yours truly, and they can tell that parable I just did, and if they've got a bizarre way of talking, it will convince everyone when they go back to their rat's nest somewhere. Will convince everyone they got that funny way of talking, so it must be theirs, that parable. Yeah, it's more difficult to do that kind of thing with the printed word and that imagery. That is the one and only.